Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set the app notifications to allow sound and vibration in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now from here, open the app in which you want to make changes to the notification sound and vibration. Now after opening the app, click on notifications, and if you have set it to silent, the alert notifications, and now if you want to set the app notifications to allow sound and vibration, then select allow sound and vibration. Now the app notification alerts are set to the allow sound and vibration. So that's how you can set the app notifications to allow sound and vibration in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.